Hello, this is Southern Tennessee Mom. Today I'm going to show you how to make laundry pre-wash or pre-stain laundry spray. So I've got this bottle that had cleaner in it. I've already washed it out. I'm going to take it. I'm going to repurpose this. I've already pulled the label off. And I have a label that I already cut out of contact paper. Peel it off. And I'm going to put the label on there. Alright. So, there we go. And then I've got hydrogen peroxide. This is a 32-ounce bottle. And then I have an 8-ounce bottle of Dawn detergent. I'm going to take and I'm going to put all of the Dawn in there. This mixture is great for adult clothes, baby clothes. When my children were babies, I used to use Dawn to get out milk stains. So I know it's a really good cleaner. And I don't have carpet now, but I used to have carpet. And if you ever get blood in carpet or blood on a shirt or anything, peroxide will take it out. Open up this bottle because it's never been used. And I think I give like, I think it was 88 cents I give for this at Walmart, the peroxide. And $1 for this bottle of Dawn. And this container here I'm repurposing, so I have almost $2 in this, about $1.88, I guess. And I'm gonna pour the peroxide in just enough to fill up the bottle. I'll take that cap off, I think. I'm doing it slowly because I'm not sure if it's going to take all of it because of the bubbles. I don't think it's going to. I think that's probably all I'm going to get in it. So I say I have about $1.50 in this because it's still, the peroxide is still like halfway full. And then, because you can see that the bubbles are at the top of it, so it's full. Put the spray back in. Tighten it up, kind of just shake it up, mix it up, because you want to make sure that all that Dawn gets mixed with the peroxide. And then I'm going to write on the label, laundry pre-stain spray. And then there you go. You have your own pre-stain mixture spray to spray your laundry with. It's a great cleaner. I think you'll really like it for $1.50. And this will last a while. And it's cheap to make. Thank you. Have a good day. Subscribe and like.